In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Italian in Memrise. First, go to the Memrise app on your mobile phone or reach the Memrise website in your web browser. To get started, make sure to log in or sign up for your account on Memrise. Your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Italian like a local. Memrise teaches you Italian vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. Memrise finds you thousands of authentic video lessons to learn Italian, featuring the exact words you've just learned. Memrise provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Italian learning. Then you can start your learning process by clicking on the Start Learning button. The Italian lessons are created by expert linguists. Memrise has some reviews shown on its website, making users comfortable to know about the platform. It offers two plans. One is a free plan and the other is a pro plan. While Memrise is great for beginners, more advanced language learners might find the courses lacking in depth and complexity. Many of the more advanced features such as offline learning and additional learning modes are locked behind a paywall, which may limit the free user experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.